We get a lot of questions about painting or molding, so today we thought we'd show you our favorite method. We're using milk paint. Our favorite is general finishes, and all you need is a little sponge. So this method is perfect for our stain grade kits, which are premium hardwood poplar, and that's what we're using today. If you've never used milk paint before, it's super easy. It's great for beginners because it's very forgiving and it always goes on smoothly. Fun fact, milk paint is eco-friendly because it's naturally non-toxic. It's also fast drying and odorless when dry. And unlike stain, you can easily paint over this if you change your mind. Now that it's dry, we're just gonna peel and stick. To mix things up a little, we alternated our 24-inch kits with our 12-inch kits. To get that seamless look, we really recommend caulking. We used Alex Plus Clear Caulk by Dow. Follow along for more tips and let us know in the comments if you would try milk paint.